Welcome to my world. Come on, let's go.
Is that a present for me? Wow, what could it be? What's inside the box? I love milk. Oh, what's inside the box? Should I open it? That's a great idea.
It's a magic wand. Wow.
Wow, it's so pretty. It's a magic wand. Oh my gosh.
What are you doing?
Nothing.
Alright, I gotta go to my room and get change.
Okay, bye.
Bye.
Oh my gosh, I need to hide this. Nobody must see this. This is mine. Where could I hide this? Yes, I can hide it in this box. Do-do-do-do-do.
Oh, hello.
Hello, can I brush my teeth?
I'm brushing my teeth first and then I can brush my teeth.
Oh, okay.
You can go change. I'll just brush my teeth. And you finish changing, I'll just go, okay?
Okay.
Okay, I finished the bathroom. Now I'm gonna have breakfast day now.
Okay, thank you. Brushing my teeth. Good morning, Tyler. Do you want some sausages and eggs?
Yes, please. And they're my favorite.
Good morning. Good morning. Go have some breakfast. What's for breakfast, Mom? Sausages and egg. Okay. Everybody enjoy your food. Thanks, Mom and Dad. No problem. This is good.
I know. I made it myself. We gotta go shopping. We're coming soon.
Chips.
Candy. Okay.
We're coming back soon. Behave.
So watch a movie.
No, I'm gonna go read a book.
Okay, I'll watch my movie by myself.
Okay. I need to find out what the magic wand is all about. But I can't tell Cylon. Okay, let me go find it. It's inside this box.
It's so pretty. Oh my gosh.
Oh, but I wonder what it could do. That's my belly. Let me go see what's in the kitchen. Ooh, ice cream. Oh, but it's upside down. Oh wait, I have a magic wand. I could make the ice cream
Bigger. Okay. Bippity bop, bappity doo. Ice cream become bigger. Oh my gosh! It's a big ice cream. I love it. I'm gonna eat it now.
Where did the magic wand go? Hey, Pip, give me that. Uh-oh.
Where's Pip?
Pip is in the fridge.
What?
He's in the fridge.
I think so.
He's in the fridge.
Okay. Pip is not inside.
Pip is not in the fridge. He's inside the toilet seat.
What?
Yeah, he's in the toilet seat. You should go check right now.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Okay.
Uh-oh.
Somebody flushed Pip down the toilet! I need to tell him the truth. Pip's not in the toilet, and he's not in the fridge. Why would you tell me?
Pip is gone. I found this magic wand in on the table, and I dropped it on Pip, and now Pip is gone forever. Stop crying. We can bring Pip back.
How?
Well, I can make Pip come back.
How would you do it?
I have an idea. Come with me.
Okay. How do you do it?
Okay, so I'm gonna say magic wand, bring back Pip, and then Pip's gonna come back. Say okay. Okay, let's try and see. Magic wand, please bring me back my pet.
That's not Pip.
Magic wand, please bring back my pet. That's not Pip.
That's cute.
Magic wand, bring back my pet.
That's not Pip. That's not Pip.
Go away, go away, go away. That was scary. Magic wand, bring back my pet. Go!
Pip, I can't see him.
We need to keep trying. We can't give up now. Magic wand, bring back my pet.
Is that a hedgehog?
I don't think so.
Shoot, shoot, shoot.
Go!
I know. You have to see magic wand bring back Pip.
Oh yeah! Magic wand, bring back my pet, Pip. Yay! Pip is back! Oh, I missed you, Pip. Uh-oh.
Mom and Dad is coming.
Oh yes, Mom, Dad's coming. I need to hide this wand.
Yeah, hide it.
We're back. Hi, Mom and Dad.
Hi.
We brought you what you wanted. So here's your lollipop, and here is your crisp.
Subscribe and like. I love you. Bye.